Very briefly.
You explain that to Jeff, will you?
All right, Jeff, just,
Senator from Vermont.
all right. I am worried that if the fine for employers who do not provide health insurance is only $750, you got to be a moron not to dump your workers into the exchange when you're spending $6,000 a person. I understand that there's an argument in Massachusetts that has not happened. I just explain to me why an employer with 150 workers would not say $750, what a bargain, I'm going to throw my employers into the exchange. I save money, give them a few $1,000s. They're going to be better off, perhaps, because they can get a better plan in the exchange. I save money. Why wouldn't I do that?
Just to sort of tick off some of the reasons. I guess one factor is when the employer pays for insurance, the people actually get insurance as opposed to paying a fine, which just is sort of money wasted. I think a more important factor is, yes, there are subsidies for people in this insurance exchange, but there are also subsidies for people in their employer plan through the current tax exclusion, which averages out to about a 30% subsidy. So it's not, it's not like they're giving away nothing by going into the exchange. A third consideration is, yes, there are subsidies available in the insurance exchange, but they're graduated and targeted, for low income, and many firms have a mix of workers of higher income and lower income, and they have to sort of think about,
But if I were employing primarily lower income people,
Yes.
under $30,000, I as a company would be better off. My workers would likely be better off. I don't know why I wouldn't do it.
Yes, and we do take that into consideration. In particular, in the tables we provide, we'll show a sort of a net effect on employer coverage, but there are some flows in that, and we do have some employers newly offering coverage because of the mandate and because their workers, see that as an attractive way to get insurance coverage, but also some employers, who would otherwise have offered coverage deciding not to, and it would be sort of particularly among firms with low-wage workers. Smaller firms are much more price responsive, so we do have that effect going on even when the net looks like it's zero.
Thank you, Chris.
Thanks very much. Jeff, I'll let you pick up on the remaining time.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.